said they're not bringing.
Yeah, they're not bringing. I heard the rumor on the street.
Stop, those are so good.
Mission of the day, fix this, because it's just not how I looked 2 years ago, and that's the freaking goal right now. This is my hairstylist, everyone. Richard. Yeah, hi. Voila. Ooh. I love it. I want to go a little bit shorter with the bangs because I was like, you know what, my hair goes fast. Why not experiment? Oh, I am exhausted though. Haven't been up this early out and doing so many things in a long ass time. So I'm gonna go get a coffee. I'm picking up a really exciting set of nails that you guys are gonna see in a different vlog. But I'm so excited, they're gonna be so good. So headed down, I think she's close. Gotta get used to this shorter hair thing. I love it, but I gotta get used to it.
Helping you through it. Oh my god.
Yay, help me through it. Oh, wow. Look at Rachel just, she's in there already. We're just slacking. We're talking to you because there's no music for once. It's lovely in here. These are screaming party, party, party. You know what I mean? Oh darn, is this one cracked? Maybe I can get a discount. Is that worth it though? Okay, we'll see. We're gonna do a shot in these next thrift trip. So I was looking for something very specific for our entryway, but they did not have it. But while I'm here, I popped in the men's section and we're going away this weekend and Daniel needs clothes because he always steals mine. And like, what if we want to go out to dinner, do stuff? So I'm gonna try to find Daniel some clothes because I don't need stuff personally. I only need a couple of things, but maybe some shareable items too. I'll keep you posted. Perfect. But actually, I want to get him a shirt like this. I feel like he'll hate it. But just open. I know this is gonna be too small. No. So cute. Thank you for thinking of me.
So cute.
I haven't found anything for you yet, but I will. In luck. These look big, but would they be worth fixing?
Well, they have a tramp stamp on that.
Oh, I like that. It's subtle though.
Subtle.
It's subtle enough. Then we've got the Hawaiian pants, capris.
They have so many of those board shorts too.
Did they? Oh, I like these.
Ooh, oh my gosh, I had a pair like that growing up.
Did you? I'm so distraught because they've actually taken away the change rooms. And I heard them say last time that they're probably not even gonna bring them back. So just more ways for us to give them their money, our money. Lovely, love that.
That's what they said, they're not bringing.
Yeah, they're not bringing, I heard the rumor on the street. Oh, it's not?
Oh, it is Coach.
It's Coach. So cute. I love the denim patch.
Yeah, that's so cute. They have, I think you should have. Whoever had these, they have
Yeah. There's more?
Yeah, there's more.
On our way. They always say to match your shoes to your bag, or your bag to your shoes, but I really like this one. Why do I kind of love this? The only jeans Daniel wears are like literally huge. We could both fit in there. So I'm gonna try and get him the Levi's squad. We'll see how that goes. I'll keep posted, but I found some really cute tops. For whatever reason, this Adidas one is $10.49, so probably leaving her behind. This one is $4.99. Pretty cute. Will I ever wear it? We'll have to see. And this one's really cute too. Freaking $10 though, so that's what we are dealing with here at this store that I have to go to because I have no other options. Someone obviously dumped their Y2K pant stash right here. Pretty good. Okay. Why? Big question mark. So we just realized this is a very sad news, which is very probably much why someone donated it. Bad. So sad. Guys, we have a pet!
And it's so private. Like you can't see anything around you. It's
She's
amazing.
so cute. Alfred.
Alfred, I love that.
Hi, Alfred.
And the mouse was Alberta's?
Yeah.
Oh, you had a mouse? Outside the house, I'm assuming?
No, in the old house. Many. Alfred and his like 20 children. Here's the little glassware haul. Love it. We realized that this literally matches our whole entire living room right now, so it's perfect. How are the jeans? Oh no. I love that. I actually love this. George, these look great on you.
No, that's good. You should
They're too skinny.
No, they're not. You're used to your huge jeans. I really like these.
Because when you go for dinner, you want to wear something.
Yeah.
This reminds me of when I was in first year and these girls in my res made me go to H&M and get a new wardrobe. And they made me get like this really thin,
Yes.
like sheer cardigan.
Oh God.
And it was really bad.
This actually fits. Okay, we're gonna do the tie together. Wow, how nice is it to try on things here?
Stop, those are so good.
Cute. Bam, built-in tie. Probably cross like that.
Becky's gonna freak out.
I know.
She's gonna love these.
Oh, there's a lot to go. Like, I might need to cut it so it's not too much because this could literally go all the way.
Stop, those are so good.
Yay! They're really comfy too. They're stretchy actually, which is the key with low-rise pants.
They remind me of the
Next
pants.
pair. Woo! They're a fun time. Good thing because I have no pants at this house, but we also have no washer or dryer, so. Wow, what a concept, being able to cook in our kitchen. Even though this isn't really cooking. This is good.
Good, how are you? Me too, but it's okay. At least I can be with my friends.
Smoothie time. I need to go pick up some packages at the old house, do some laundry at my parents' house, because I don't know if I've mentioned it already, but we're waiting for our washer dryer to come in here. There currently is one, it's just really old and kind of rusty. And that scares me. When I get new clothes, I don't want to toss it into like a Dungeon of Doom machine. We're getting ready to go to Montreal tomorrow, which is so exciting. I'm gonna be vlogging at 10, but I kind of want to get like a fresh memory card so we have a nice fresh start for that. And yeah, lots to do, but at least it's a nice sunny day, so we'll be good. We acquired the packages. First up, this is very important, and I appreciate that they actually marked it as urgent. So we have a couple things in here that are for the trip. So actually I'm not going to show you guys that, and unfortunately I left the 3 other things that I got at my parents because they're being washed. Maybe I have one of them. Okay, so I saw this set, but I didn't know if I was going to wear it for what I was shopping for, but I knew I couldn't leave it behind. Like, this is definitely coming with me. Wow. Wow, love that. And that is not all. How's the salmon? It came with a jacket. Holy, this is beautiful. Look at the glimmer. This is so fun. Okay, obsessed with that. So that's the thread up stuff I can show you. So you guys might have seen these. Oh gosh, this glitter is getting everywhere. We'll worry about that later. Hello. Okay, these are a moment in and of itself, so I need to plan a good weekend outfit. Anyways, those are definitely coming with me. And then the last thing is very special. Some of you guys are probably gonna recognize this. So I wanted to support another YouTuber. Oh, this feels so nice and stretchy. I didn't have a t-shirt with me that I was gonna bring for this weekend, and I think I just solved that problem. So this is Lainey's merch, and I've been following her for a really long time, and she's just the cutest. Hopefully we can meet and thrift one day together, but in the meantime, I will sport her t-shirt. I don't know if I'm gonna cut it yet. She did that and made it like the perfect little baby tee, so probably gonna do that too. It just makes more sense because it's summer, but so excited. It's actually so nice and it's kind of stretchy too, so that is the haul. I picked up a memory card too because I want to be able to vlog all this weekend and not have to stop my camera like I'm about to do in 20 seconds and delete things. So I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!